Ever wondered what it's like to be behind the scenes of one of the most popular beauty treatments in the world? Welcome to a day in the life of a Brazilian waxing professional, where confidence is crafted one strip at a time. The day starts early, before the first client walks in. Cleanliness is key. Every surface is sanitized, every tool is sterilized, and calming scents fill the air to ease nerves. Our first client arrives. Each person is unique with their own comfort levels, questions, and stories. One moment it's a nervous first-timer, the next a regular who's basically family. Before the first strip, there's preparation. Skin is cleansed, powder is applied, and we walk the client through what to expect. Communication is everything. The waxing itself, it's all about technique, smooth, swift, and safe. While we don't show private areas, what matters is the precision, the professionalism, and the care. Aftercare is crucial. We soothe the skin with aloe-based products and share tips to avoid ingrowns, like exfoliating gently and avoiding tight clothing for 24 hours. It's not all smooth sailing. Pain management is an art. Soothing voices, deep breaths, and yes, even a bit of humor go a long way. And hygiene, it's non-negotiable. Gloves on, single-use sticks, no double dipping. Safety is how we earn trust. Then there's time. Between clients, we reset fast. Every minute counts, but so does every detail. But nothing beats the smile after the final strip. Clients walk in shy and walk out glowing, more confident, more empowered. We don't just remove hair. We build confidence one session at a time. Waxes are humans too. This job takes a toll on the body, on the mind. That's why self-care is part of the gig and we're not alone. The camaraderie in this industry is real. We support each other, share stories and grow together. In the end, it's the passion that keeps us going. We love what we do because we get to help people feel beautiful in their own skin. Thanks for joining us behind the scenes. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty industry insights. Faceless, but full of heart.